Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. We're just here to unbox a Mic 2 charging case. And while we're at it, I'm just going to talk about the Mic Mini charging case. And we'll do a little bit of a comparison. I'll tell you also why I've gone ahead and bought this after so long. I've had a Mic 2 for quite a long time. And I'll explain all of those things, and hopefully it'll give you perhaps some ideas, and you'll also know exactly what you get when you buy this charging case as seen. So stick around to the end and you'll find out all of those things, and yeah, I'll give you some tips. All right, so I was wondering why this box is so big. So they put it in a case. What's this? Mic 2. This is product information, so a little manual there. I'll go ahead and move that, take it out of the way. This is very common to what they give you with the Pocket 3 and probably some other things. Quite good quality case. I don't know why they put a soft case to hold a hard case. We'll get that out. Okay. Doesn't look like, no, there's nothing else in this case, so they've just given you it looks like it's able to hold quite a bit. Looks like you can carry mics and everything in there, but anyway, they've given you that. I'll stick that aside because I don't think we're going to be here looking at the case, but yeah, it's quite a decent sized case. You can probably use that for something else, putting other accessories or things in. I won't be using it for this. That's going to go straight into my camera bag the way it is. So, having a look at this, it looks very similar to the Mic Mini. I'll just see. No, okay, so it does come empty. I didn't expect anything to be in here, but I just thought I'll have a look. Now, you might have noticed that it has the same type of thing as the Mic Mini. So this actually has a battery inside it. This will actually charge. It's not just a case, but it will charge your receiver and your two transmitters, your two mics. It'll keep them charged. You can take this with you off-site, and you've always got something to either recharge your mics with or to keep them charged. So what I'll do is I'll just sit that down, and we'll go into that a bit further in a minute. I'll just cut over to this Mic Mini, and I'll give you some ideas of what I've experienced with this. So it's the same thing. It has a battery in here. Now with the Mic Mini, as you can see, you can actually also hold the transmitter in here, which, sorry, the receiver. The mics are the transmitters. I can't see where I've got that at the moment, but it is around here somewhere, but if I can see it within a couple of seconds, I'll bring it in, but otherwise it doesn't matter. You probably know what it looks like. There's no screen or anything on the Mic Mini receiver. The Mic 2 receiver does have a screen on it, but I find it no problem with or without. It's fine. Now, as you can see, the Mic Mini, the microphones go straight in there, keeps them charged. They're actually on, so it turns it off when they're in there. They'll charge them up, and you can leave the wind muffs on. Now, you can also carry your little adapter for your receiver so that you can put it into USB-C, like put it into a tablet or your phone. If you've got the Lightning one, you can also carry that as well. Also in here, it has room to carry the cable. So this is a fully self-contained unit. You can carry everything you need in here to shoot with camera or phone off-site. Everything will be charged, everything will be working, and it's a strong case. I've never had any problems with this case at all. So yeah, you charge it up with USB-C, same as this one. So that's my experience using this. This is very handy. This goes with me everywhere. I have not once that I recall in all the time that I've had this, ever pulled one of these out or had a situation where my microphone's gone flat. Now, that gets me on to, you might say, well, why have you gone and bought this one? That is why I've gone and bought this one, because I have actually gone to do shoots, gone to do things in the studio, and because the Mic 2 is either used or quite often sitting on the table, I have been recording things like I am now, and I get to the end and then I realise the microphone has turned off halfway through. So I've had to reshoot or try and do voiceover, which is not easy when you're doing unboxings. Anyway, that's part of the reason I've bought this. So we'll open that up. But actually, let's just do a quick. One thing I was worried when I bought this, one thing I was concerned about, because I thought maybe I will take this with me somewhere off-site from time to time, perhaps, because I do carry the Mic 2 microphone with me, although I don't use that very often. I usually use the minis. But I was worried about the size of it. But as you can see here, this is a lot smaller than I thought it would be. For some reason, I was thinking it was going to be double the size of that. But it's not. We'll get a tape measure and you can have a look. So you're talking about less than 120 millimeters for this one. So 4.5 inches, a bit less, around 4.5 inches for the Mic 2. The Mic Mini, you're talking about just under 4 inches or about 97 millimeters, something like that. So there's not a great deal of difference. And you say, yeah, there's about 2 centimeters difference between them, which is about 2/3 of an inch, I'd say. It's a bit over 1/2 inch. But the size is quite good on the Mic 2. So there we go. So let's get into seeing. All right, so I want to see if I can. Okay, doesn't look like. No. Okay. You can't. So you can't carry it with the wind muff on. Now that's a bit of a bugger. Something else I've just noticed, it looks like there's not enough room to carry the cable either. It does have the slot to carry your Lightning and USB-C adapters. Of course, your receiver goes in here. Now that's a bit of a bugger. Let's maybe I'll be trying it like this. Maybe I'll be leaving it out on the desk. Maybe I'll try it over the weekend and just leave it out and see if there's any negative effect with leaving the top open. I don't expect there would be, but I don't know. I believe these ones turn off. I'm not sure about that, but actually, so I won't talk too much about that. So that means we're going to have to pull off. Let's see if we put this in here now. So that will close, obviously, with that in there. Yes, well, it has to do that. But I'm wondering if I'm not carrying the receiver, because I won't be using the receiver if I carry my Mic 2. Okay, so I can carry it, the wind muff, but I have to put it on. That's a thing that's going to be prone to being lost, but if I do that. So something tells me I won't be carrying the Mic 2. I won't be carrying this for the Mic 2 because it's probably easier to leave the wind muff on, just throw it in my bag and just charge it every so often with the USB-C, or make sure it's charged before I go, actually. If this stays on the desktop, this should be charged every time. As soon as I get it out, it should have a full charge. So I'll try and do some tests on that, and I'll put something in the comment if I find out something that's, a problem. So are we going to be able to fit 2 of those in there if we have 2 mics? Yeah, maybe. Maybe there might be enough room to have a second one there. There might be. Don't know about that. Anyway, that's something to keep in mind if you're going to buy this. I can see that probably I'm going to leave this plugged in, or maybe I won't leave it plugged in. Maybe I'll just charge it once a month or something. And maybe it's just going to sit on the top of my workbench like that. And that way the microphones are there. I can leave the wind muff on if I need it, and they can both stay charged. The receiver I've got permanently mounted to a camera now with the power supply anyway, so that's not really an issue. So yeah, in wrapping up, it seems like the Mic Mini is an all-in-one. It carries everything. It's all enclosed in here. You're not going to lose anything. With the Mic 2, the case looks like you can't, unless maybe somebody online knows how to hide it somewhere or something. But you obviously can't have it. You cannot close it when that's on there. It's just not going to happen, which is a shame. Anyway, yeah, I think that wraps it up. That's the end of that. Thanks very much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I hope you got something out of this video. And I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.